Here's what I think you should read next if you enjoy reading poetry. The first book recommendation is A Dinosaur at the Bus Stop by Kate Wakeling, illustrated by Eilidh Muldoon. These are fantastic poems, silly poems, serious poems, poems to get you thinking. The next book is Spin, a series of poems by 10 brand new poets, new to writing poetry for young people, for that sort of 9+ age range. The poems in here are absolutely brilliant. I did edit this collection, so I'm a little bit biased, but these are brilliant poets. Check out Spin. The next book I'm going to recommend is Red Sky at Night, Poet's Delight by Alex Walton, and it's illustrated by Ian Morris, another fantastic collection from the brilliant Welsh Children's Laureate Alex Walton there. The next book I'd like to recommend is Best of All, The Magical Mix That's You by Simriti Halls and illustrated by Cheya Prabhat. Now this is a picture book, but it's a rhyming picture book, and you are never too old for a picture book. This is a picture book all about being of mixed heritage, which I am. I'm Anglo-Indian Jamaican, and this book really spoke to me, and I love the rhyme and the rhythm in this poetry picture book. And last but not least, I'm going to recommend one of my own books, The Poetry Prompt, a series of writing exercises to get you writing poems in fun, active and interesting ways. Check them all out.